Who haven't we perverted into a twisted reflection of my evil?
A few planets in the beta quadrant remain unperverted.
Ah, bingo!
Zurg. By the authority of Star Command, I hereby place you under arrest.
Not bad, Lightyear. I should have seen that one coming.
Like I was saying, you're under arrest.
Oh, come on, buddy. That's no way to treat your partner.
Warp? Oh!
Surprised?
You're alive? Or am I dead?
No, you're not dead. Not yet, anyway.
But how?
The exploding moon. Convincing, wasn't it? Yeah, Zurg's fireworks are really top shelf.
But warp.
Agent Z, please.
Of course. Amnesia.
No.
Evil clone.
No.
Android replica.
No.
Okay. It's so obvious. Zurg's mind control ray. He got to you first.
Actually, I went to him. Evil is just so much more profitable than good and more fun.
I don't believe it. The warped dark matter I trained side by side with would not work for the most evil force in the universe.
Look, Lightyear. I've been on Zurg's payroll since the Academy. Once I got the LGMs to spill the secret of the Unimind, the Big C brought me on full-time. My name's Darkmatter. Who's surprised here?
One of Star Command's finest. The perfect spy. I gave you a really nice eulogy.
He was not only a great ranger, but a great friend. What a hoot! If only you knew!
I miss him very much.
Oh, one more time!
I miss him very much.
Listen now!
Stop mocking me!
I'll admit that in the past, you have been a most formidable foe, but since you lost your dear partner, you've been off your game.
Buzz Lightyear may end today, but what I believe in will live on. Hope, freedom, and justice.
Oh, that's rich! Oh, please tell me you got that.
Got it.
Excellent! Add it to my collection. Besides, Mr. Melodrama, I'm not going to kill you. No, I have a much more delicious idea. I'm going to take the galaxy's greatest hero and turn him into me.
Welcome to the team, partner.
This isn't my team, and you're not my partner. Buzz Lightyear mission log, final entry.
What's he doing?
Mission log. He's a procedure nut. As if there's gonna be anyone left to read his report.